Dear students, our question is explain the gains from international trade. Firstly, we will know about the meaning of gains of trade. According to Adam Smith, between whatever places foreign trade is carried on, they all of them derive two distinct benefits from it. It carries out that surplus for which there is no demand among them and brings back in return from it something else for which there is a demand. It gives value to their superfluities by exchanging from something else which may satisfy a part of their wants and increase their enjoyments. According to Sudderston, gains from trade means increase in welfare to the world economy as a whole or an individual country, depending on the viewpoint, as a result of engaging in international trade. The gains can take the form of greater real income for the world or country for the same input of factor, or the same real income for a lesser input of factors, or some combination of two. The following are the gains from international trade. The variety of gains conferred by international trade on the trading countries are as under: international specializations. International trade results in specialization of different countries in the production of different commodities according to the comparative cost difference, because different goods require different factor requirements. Factor endowments are different in different countries. Factors of production like land, labor, capital, and organization are less mobile between the countries. Proper utilization of resources: when the participating countries specialize in production of different goods, then there is proper utilization of the available resources. For example, in Japan there is scarcity of land and abundance of capital. If this country exports the goods produced with the help of capital and imports raw materials, etc., then its resources will be fully utilized. Increase in production: international specialization and full utilization of resources result in higher level of production in the trading countries. Equalization of prices: international trade leads to price equalization in the trading countries. According to the modern theory of international trade, each country will specialize in the production and export of that commodity which requires for its production a relatively large amount of those factors which it has in abundance. As a result, in that country, price of that commodity will be less as compared to the countries where these resources are scarce in supply. In the absence of trade between the two countries, prices of goods will be different. In case of international trade, domestic supply of that goods will be different. In case of international trade, domestic supply of that goods in the exporting country will be reduced and its price will increase, and supply of the same goods will increase in the importing country and its price will decline. Thus, the price of goods being traded in the international market tend to equalize in the process of international trade. Equitable distribution of scarce resources: there are certain factors of production which are scarce in supply and their distribution is unequal among the countries. With the help of international trade, scarce resources can be exported in the form of raw material or the goods produced with them to other countries. Thus, international trade provides solution to the problems of scarcity of resources and raw material. Gains from exchange: in the process of international trade, comparative cost differences fetch a higher price of the products to the exporting countries from the international market as compared to their domestic markets, and the importing countries are in a position to get the goods at a lower price as compared to their international markets. This type of gains of exchange are the result of international trade. Increase in world prosperity and welfare: in the absence of restrictions on international trade, residents of different countries are in a position to choose among different varieties of goods. It results in the rise in the level of welfare and prosperity in the trading countries. Expansion of market and economies of scale. In the process of international trade, producers of different countries supply their products in the international market along with their domestic market. Hence, the size of market expands, as a result of which producers are in a position to increase their level of production and have benefits of economies of large scale.